Hello, Chris here at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today I'm going to preview our latest Ford Transit Custom. This one is the 170 PS automatic limited model. It's the L1 short wheelbase H1 standard roof height and it's finished in black metallic. Now this one we've done our usual MASV styling, but we've actually gone a little bit further, as you can see, and we've detailed the vehicle with our lime green pack. As you can see from the front, it's got the new style Ford embossed grille. It's got the lower black, gloss black splitter and the sport bonnet stripes. Move around to the off side of the vehicle. It's got the 20-inch velour gloss black alloys, and if I move closer, brake calipers in our lime green finish. The lime green detailing runs along the side skirt. Take around the rear of the vehicle. It's got the twin barn doors. It's got the smoked rear LED tail lights, black badging, rear camera, spoiler to the roof of the barn doors. Got the lower splitter with the lime green detailing running through. Near side, of course, side loading door. Alloys there with the lime green calipers and the lime green detailing to the lower skirt. Just open this side loading door. This being the limited model, it's got all the high specification which comes on this new Transit Custom. It's got the LED load lights, it's got keyless entry, comes with this liner, plastic to the floor, solid metal bulkhead. LED headlights standard on this model. Front and rear park sensors and rear camera. And on this one we fitted a very special amber and white light roof pod. Has all different settings. All works with a remote control button on your key fob. Absolutely fantastic, doesn't it look? Just go in the cabin area and just run you through some of the standard specification. As I said, keyless entry. It's got folding electric heated mirrors, auto headlights. It's got this leather flat bottomed multifunction steering wheel, digital dashboard, 13.5-inch infotainment system, so that encompasses wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got your heated seats, heated steering wheel, all easy touch, controlled from one system. It's push button start, and and column gear change, automatic gearbox. It's got the dual passenger seat, single driver seat with the captain armrest, plenty of storage space. Really is the best van on the market. Let's go back around the front of the vehicle. There we have it, our latest Ford Transit Custom Limited 170 PS automatic. All the full specification will be on our website shortly, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. If you've got any questions, please contact myself, Chris, on 07888 989877. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.